It's the show that started it all. Cops Too Hot for TV. See for the first time ever what the network censors held back from the award-winning Fox TV series. It's gritty, graphic, and outrageous real-life footage from the mean streets of America. You've seen cops before, but never like this. Cops Too Hot for TV. Experience the original for yourself. Once just wasn't enough, so it's back to the streets with Cops Too Hot for TV Volume 2. It's even more of the humorous, bizarre, violent, and explosive action that the censors wouldn't let you see. Until now. Cops Too Hot for TV Volume 2. See is believing. Climb into the driver's seat with cops in hot pursuit. It's high-speed chases and non-stop action as real-life cops go after fleeing criminals. And now, you can ride shotgun. Cops in hot pursuit. It's a thrill-a-minute ride you'll never forget. It's real crime and real captures with cops caught in the act. See what happens when suspects get caught red-handed while committing the crime. Dangerous takedowns. Crooks in hiding. Adrenaline-charged confrontations. It's wall-to-wall excitement that will leave you breathless. Cops caught in the act. It's real, raw, and riveting.